This is an instruction video for the 3R-WK12 wheel kit for the SKB 3R series case. We start by taking the template that comes with the kit, placing it on the case, centering it up where you want it on the case, and then we're going to mark the inside of the template with a silver Sharpie or anything that will mark on the side of the case. This is a cutting guide. We'll now use a drill with a 3/8 diameter bit to drill the corners so that we can use the jigsaw to insert the jigsaw blade in. Now we use our jigsaw to cut on the line or beyond the line, just a little bit wider open than the line that you've drawn in. You can see it here where there's a little bit still exposed. We'll cut that area out now. These notches can also be removed with a wood rasp file if you're more comfortable using a file than using the jigsaw for those cuts. We're now going to just clean up the outside edges of the hole a little bit, making sure we remove all the line that we drew on. Now we'll check fit the wheel to make sure that it drops into place okay on the case. And it drops right into the hole. Very good. The next step is to change your drill bit to a 3/16 drill bit, and we're going to put the wheel body or wheel housing into the case and drill the holes for the 4 attachment screws on each wheel. The next step is to place the gasket onto the wheel housing. The gasket has a pressure sensitive adhesive on one side. You peel the paper back and then stick that side to the wheel housing. The gasket will only go on in one direction. Once the gasket is in place, we'll put a bead of silicone or RTV sealant on the inside of the gasket. We're trying to maintain the watertight integrity of the case here. Okay, the next step is to apply the attachment hardware. We'll put the wheel back in place, and we're going to take the drill and just run the drill back through the hole to line it up, make sure everything's clean. We'll put an attachment screw through the hole, and then do the same procedure for the next 3 holes. This just assures the alignment and that everything goes in correctly. The next and final procedure is to finish installing the hardware. We will open the case so that you can gain access to the inside. Then you'll take the rubber-backed washer, placing the rubber side towards the surface of the case, and installing the nylock nut using a Phillips screwdriver and a 3/8 inch nut driver. You will tighten all the bolts down, making sure to secure them well, again to ensure the watertight integrity of the case. And we'll follow the same procedure for finishing up the second wheel. Okay, so the installation is now complete. Hardware is all secured. We're going to close the case up. We'll latch it. We'll lay it back down on the wheel side. And you now have a rolling case.